Alright, I'm bored and I'm gonna do a new bike check. And I'm gonna start from the front to the back and then show the extra parts I have. The grips are ODI long neck, snafu stubby bar ends, nitrous OG bars, Eastern choker 3 stem I think, stolen headset, stock forks. The tire is the belter, which you can barely see because it's too dark. The rim is Alien Nation 440 rim, which is I think 32 holes. The frame is a Mongoose Legion. The chair is a Snafu. The seat clamp is Shadow Conspiracy Alfred Light. Stock crank, stock sprocket. The pedals are Eastern plastic. Chain is mechanic half track chain. The back wheel is the same as the front one, even the rim, except it's 36 holes, and it has a what's it called? Odyssey Hazard hub, 11 tooth, and right there has some chain tensioners. I don't know what they are. And before I fell, I took off the pegs. These are tube screamer pegs. These are the stock pegs, which are small. That's why I bought the other ones. The brakes are Tektro FX15. The brake lever is a Snafu C2 lever. Snafu Astroglide top and bottom brake cables. Oh, the back one's messed up. I gotta get a new one. If I get, my dad lets me ride again. I don't know what the gyro is, so I'll just go with stock gyro. The pedals are Primo Tenderizer. There's the stock stem. There's the FSA headset, which it has. The reason why I bought that one was because this one I broke a bearing on it, so I had to get a new one. But I have an extra bearing here with the cap and everything. The stock thing, which is what's it called? Fucking wrong. Yeah, I'll come back to my old bars, which are Primo mustache bars. The grips here are Shadow. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I forgot. Shadow something. ODI bar ends. Yeah, pretty much it on this. Helmet protect. And last, the board, my skateboard. A Zero from Chris Go. Venture trucks. And Spitfire wheels. Yeah. That's it. The stickers I have. The stickers that came with the bike. A Protect sticker. Dance Cup, best store ever, or online store. Mechanic, which came with the chain. Another Protect, Apple, Dance Cup. What else? The Mongoose sticker right there that came on the forks, but I took them off. And oh yeah, on the bars, the nitrous sticker, Protect, and Apple. Oh yeah, and Dance Cup. Yeah, that's it. Comment, rate, subscribe. Oh yeah, you can't rate. Thumbs up and subscribe.